To set your printer to print from the back and bottom to top, go to the Print menu, then click Print Properties. This will open the Canon Printer's print properties. After that, select the Page Setup menu. First, we'll adjust the print direction from top to bottom to print from bottom to top. To do this, check the Rotate 180 degrees box. You can see the changes in the preview. Now, we'll set the print direction to start from the back of the page. To do this, check the Print from Last Page box. Then, click OK and then Print to see the changes. Easy, right? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.